Alright, I've got this Kubota 54-inch commercial mower. It's got the nice heavy drives with the big wheels. It's the Z421 Commander Pro. It's got the Kawasaki FS commercial grade motor on it. This is a 27 horsepower. I'll double check that. It might be a 29, but I think it's a 27. Like I said, 54-inch deck. Everything works on this mower great. It's got the oversized, comfortable seat, but does not have the air ride suspension. But it's still a very nice, comfortable seat. This thing starts and runs great, no problems at all. I think just a little over 400 hours on it. Let's see here. Yeah, 432. I'll fire it up for you. E-brake is down here. It's got the dual lever, so you press this one, then this one to lock it, press that one to release it. Blade adjustment here, and it's got the dial-in blade, so you can adjust the height very little bit at a time. It's also got a 12 volt for your phone, and a slot to keep your phone, cup holder, and another storage compartment. Right turn, left turn, reverse, forward. This thing's a fast mower. Oh, it's real good. I'll engage the blades. Commercial grade mower, so it's got a real good blade tip speed, nice high horsepower professional mower motor. It's a good mower. If you're looking to make some money with a mower, this is a good one. I'll idle it down for you. Runs real good.